Tabulation means here it is a method for simplification of the Boolean functions. Every method like K-map, etc., etc., everything is used to simplify the Boolean expressions, okay, or Boolean functions for a large number of variables. So it is used for the large number of variables. Mostly we use for greater than 4 because it is difficult to form the K-map. Last video we have seen the 5 variable K-map, right? How hard it is, right? So to avoid the difficulty, there is another method, that is a tabulation method. Using this also we can simplify the Boolean expressions, okay? That is the purpose. We are going to see the tabulation. Now let us move into the example. So simplify the tab using tabulation method. Here it is a 4 variable function. So these are the minterms that are given. Now with the K-map, if we simplify this, we will get the Boolean expression like this, like B bar, C bar, AD and like A bar, D bar. So these are the Boolean expression we get. Now let us see the same thing if we get with the tabulation or not, okay? Now in the tabulation, see, listen carefully, this is a important topic, it is a big process, okay? I am keeping like this. Now it is a 0 group, means the minterm 0 will contains all 0. Next thing, we need to group in such a manner that minterms will have only single one, okay, single one in the variable, like 1 if we write the binary, like it is a 0001, okay. For 2 it is a 0010. For 4, see, all this we will get in a single one, okay, like it is a single one binary function. Now next thing, we need to give priority to for 2 ones, okay. For 6 we will get the 2 ones, for 9 we will get the, like it is a 8 plus 1, right, 9. Now next we need to go in the manner like it is a 0 group, it is a only single one we will have. In this 2 ones we will have, in this we will have 3 ones, in the upcoming 4 ones, okay. In the such a manner we need to make. Now I am zooming on this, okay. This is a 4 ones. So see, we done with the table 1, okay. We will move step by step. I hope you got the idea up to this. See, up to table 1 only, don't get confused. Up to table 1, it is such a easy process, but it is a lengthy one, okay. I hope you got the idea on table 1. If you're not getting, means please once again rewatch this. After getting the table 1 only, we will move to the table 2. Now let us move into the table 2, okay. In the table 2, here we need to couple some bits, like some minterms, like why I taken 0 and 1 means, so for the 0 we'll have 3 common and 1 different, remember. So we need to make the grouping in a process, like we need to get one difficult, okay. Here we have 0 and we have 1. Only one fluctuation is allowed, like only one bracket is allowed. Now in the same way, not only with the 0 1, we can form like 0 and 2 also. See, we can form with the 0 and 2. 0 comma 2, here we will get the fluctuation, like we will get the bracket at the C variable. Same way at the 0 and 4, we will get the, like the dash at B. At the 0 at, we will get the dash at A. Now not only with the 0 and 1s, okay, we can form with 1s and 2s also. Now with the 1, let us see. With the 1, while moving into the 2 section, here you can see we have 1 here, right. We need to check same one where it is. So here it is a 1. We have 000 and we have 1 here only fluctuation, okay. Keep a dash like 199. Now it is a 1 group, dash 0001. Now same way with the 2, let us check. Here we have 1, right? Here also we have 1. Now where we get the fluctuation at the b variable, keep the dash over there. Now same with the 4 and 6 and 8 and 9. 8 and means here we will have 1. Here the fluctuation we will get at the d. Okay. Now let us move with the 2 and 3. Now at the 2 and 3, here you can see with the 6, where we will get means we have double ones, double one. So here it is not making any grouping. Okay. Now let us move with the 9. Here we have 1 1 1 1. We can make two groups with the 9 11 and 9 13. Okay. Now with the 3 and 4. The 3 and 4 we can make like this, like 11 15 we can make, and 13 15 also we can make. Okay. We are done with the table 2. Now table 3. Okay, let us move into the table 3. So what we done here, we made a one blank, right? So here we will make the two blanks. So 0 1, here we have blank, right? Check with the next table. Next table where we will have, here we have the blank. So 0 1 and 8 9 is a one group. Okay. Like here we have already blank. Here we need to keep the blank. Okay. Blank 0 0 blank. Okay. Now 0 2, here we have blank, right? Here we have blank. Okay. 0 double dash 0. Same way, these are the other blanks. Now check with this and this two. Below we need to check. Okay. 1 9. Here we have blank. There is no another blank. Okay. 2 6, here we have blank, here we have blank, but there is a fluctuation in two things. Okay. We don't consider this thing. 4 6 means here we have blank, here we have blank, here we will get the blank, but all blanks we will get. Okay. When we see this 8 9, here we have blank, there is no other blank. Okay. Completely this grouping is not matching. Okay. Now let us move on to the this thing with the below blank. Okay. 9 11, here we have blank means here we have blank. So this is a one group, like 9 11 13 15. See 9 11 13 15. So like this we will form. Now 9 11 9 13 and 11 15 is a one group. Okay, up to table 3 we have done. Now see this. Now these two are same. Okay. Now these two are same. This two is same. Okay. Here directly we can write that it is a B bar and C bar. See, these two are B bar, C bar. Now these two things are A bar, D bar. These two things are AD. Now the same Boolean expression we have got with the K map also. See, B C bar, like I will use, see, B C bar and A D bar and A bar D bar. See, B C bar, either you can see B C bar, A bar D bar, A D. Okay. So this is how the tabulation method will be. I hope you got the idea on this. So try to solve from the table 1. First you understand the table 1, later go for the table 2 and later table 3. At last you will get the like this. So again, don't make like this. So there is no other clubbing will be formed. Okay. All dashes will come. All dashes we will get after further simplification. So stop up to table 3. So if it is a 5 variable means there might be extension of the table 4 also. I hope you got the idea on this. If you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you for watching this.